Understanding the phrase, mend the soul. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and profound phrase, mend the soul. This phrase is not just about language, but also about understanding deeper meanings and cultural nuances. So, let's explore what it means to mend the soul and how you can use this phrase in your English conversations. The phrase, mend the soul, is metaphorical and signifies the process of healing emotional or spiritual wounds. The word, mend, typically refers to fixing something that is broken, like repairing a piece of clothing. When applied to the soul, it suggests a process of recovery or healing from deep emotional hurt or trauma. This phrase is often used in contexts where someone is overcoming a difficult period in their life or finding peace and solace after a challenging experience. Let's look at some practical examples. 1. After a personal loss, she took up painting to help mend her soul after her father's passing. 2. Finding inner peace. Spending time in nature is a way to mend the soul and find inner tranquility. 3. In literature and music. The novel's theme revolves around the protagonist's journey to mend his soul. The idea of mending the soul is not unique to English and can be found in many cultures and religions around the world. It often carries a sense of spiritual growth, self-improvement, and the journey towards becoming whole again. Understanding this phrase also gives insight into how English speakers view emotional healing and personal growth. To expand your vocabulary, here are similar phrases and their meanings. Heal one's heart. Focused more on emotional recovery. Find inner peace. About achieving a state of mental and emotional calmness. Soul searching. The process of deep self-reflection to find personal truths. Mend the soul is a powerful and poetic phrase in the English language that goes beyond literal meaning to convey a journey of healing and finding peace. We hope this exploration has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of this phrase. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and emotions they carry. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.